Welcome! In today's video, we'll explore how Power Automate can become a game changer for finance teams. Power Automate is Microsoft's automation platform, designed to streamline repetitive tasks and connect various business applications. But what truly unlocks its potential are the integrations it offers. By connecting Power Automate with other tools, finance professionals can automate approvals, synchronize data, and ensure accuracy across systems. Let's dive into the most impactful integrations that can supercharge your finance workflows, making your daily operations smoother and more efficient. Integrations are the backbone of automation. For finance teams, connecting Power Automate with other platforms means less manual entry, fewer errors, and more time for strategic work. Imagine automatically pulling invoice data from emails, updating your accounting software, and notifying stakeholders, all without lifting a finger. Integrations enable seamless data flow, ensuring your financial records are always up to date and accurate. This not only boosts productivity, but also enhances compliance and reporting. Let's look at the key integrations that make this possible. One of the most popular integrations for finance teams is with Microsoft Excel. Power Automate can connect directly to Excel files stored in OneDrive or SharePoint. This allows you to automate data extraction, report generation, and even trigger workflows based on changes in your spreadsheets. For example, when a new row is added to a budget tracker, Power Automate can send notifications or update other systems. This integration saves time and ensures consistency in your financial data. Integrating Power Automate with Dynamics 365 Finance is a powerful way to streamline financial operations. This connection allows you to automate invoice approvals, synchronize transactions, and manage vendor payments. For instance, when an invoice is submitted in Dynamics 365, Power Automate can route it for approval, update payment status, and notify the finance team. This reduces bottlenecks and ensures timely processing, which is crucial for maintaining healthy cash flow. Finance teams often receive critical information via email. With Power Automate's Outlook integration, you can automatically extract attachments, parse invoice data, and trigger workflows based on email content. For example, when an invoice arrives, Power Automate can save the attachment to SharePoint, extract key details, and start an approval process. This eliminates manual sorting and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. SharePoint is a central hub for document management in many organizations. By integrating Power Automate with SharePoint, finance teams can automate document storage, approval workflows, and version control. For example, when a contract is uploaded, Power Automate can notify relevant team members, start a review process, and ensure the latest version is always accessible. This integration keeps your financial documents organized and secure. Microsoft Teams is essential for collaboration. Power Automate's integration with Teams allows finance teams to receive instant notifications, share updates, and automate reminders. For example, when a payment is approved, a message can be sent to the finance channel, keeping everyone in the loop. This integration enhances communication and ensures timely action on important tasks. Power BI integration enables finance teams to visualize and analyze data in real time. With Power Automate, you can trigger data refreshes, send alerts when KPIs are met, and automate report distribution. For example, when monthly financial data is updated, Power Automate can refresh Power BI dashboards and email reports to stakeholders. This ensures everyone has access to the latest insights for better decision-making. For organizations using SAP, integrating it with Power Automate can automate complex financial processes. This includes syncing transactional data, automating purchase order approvals, and updating records across systems. By bridging SAP and Power Automate, finance teams can reduce manual intervention and ensure data consistency, even in large-scale enterprise environments. QuickBooks is a popular accounting platform for many finance teams. Power Automate's integration with QuickBooks allows you to automate invoice creation, payment tracking, and data synchronization. For example, when a payment is received, Power Automate can update QuickBooks records and notify the finance team. This integration streamlines bookkeeping and ensures financial data is always current. Approval workflows are critical in finance. Power Automate can integrate with multiple platforms to automate approval chains for expenses, invoices, and budgets. For instance, when an expense report is submitted, Power Automate can route it to the right approvers, track status, and send reminders. This reduces delays and ensures compliance with company policies. OneDrive integration allows finance teams to automate file storage and sharing. For example, when a financial report is finalized, Power Automate can save it to a specific OneDrive folder and share it with stakeholders. This ensures secure access and easy retrieval of important documents, reducing the risk of lost files. Microsoft Planner helps finance teams manage tasks and deadlines. Power Automate integration allows you to create tasks automatically based on triggers, such as new invoices or budget requests. This ensures nothing is overlooked and helps teams stay organized, especially during busy financial periods. For advanced data management, integrating Power Automate with Azure SQL Database enables automated data transfers, updates, and reporting. Finance teams can schedule data syncs, trigger alerts for anomalies, and ensure their databases are always up to date. This is especially useful for organizations with complex financial data structures. DocuSign integration allows finance teams to automate the collection of electronic signatures for contracts, approvals, and agreements. Power Automate can send documents for signature, track their status, and store signed copies automatically. This speeds up processes and ensures compliance with legal requirements. Salesforce is widely used for customer relationship management, but it also holds valuable financial data. Integrating Salesforce with Power Automate enables automatic updates to financial records, invoice generation, and syncing of customer payment information. This ensures that finance teams always have the latest data for accurate reporting and forecasting. For teams using Slack, Power Automate can send real-time notifications about financial events, such as payment approvals or budget updates. This keeps everyone informed and allows for quick responses to important changes, even if your team isn't using Microsoft Teams. If your finance team uses Google Sheets, Power Automate can connect to automate data entry, updates, and reporting. For example, when a new transaction is recorded, Power Automate can update Google Sheets and trigger follow-up actions. This integration bridges the gap between Microsoft and Google platforms, offering flexibility for diverse teams. Xero is another popular accounting platform. Power Automate's integration with Xero allows finance teams to automate invoice processing, payment tracking, and financial reporting. For example, when a bill is paid, Power Automate can update records and notify stakeholders, ensuring transparency and accuracy in your financial operations. For enterprises using Oracle financial systems, Power Automate integration can automate data transfers, approvals, and reporting. This reduces manual work and ensures that financial data is consistent across all platforms. Automating these processes helps finance teams focus on analysis and strategy rather than data entry. Dropbox integration allows finance teams to automate file storage and sharing. For example, when a new financial statement is generated, Power Automate can save it to Dropbox and share it with relevant stakeholders. This ensures secure, organized access to important documents. Yammer is a social network for organizations. Power Automate integration allows finance teams to post announcements, share updates, and automate reminders for important deadlines. This keeps everyone informed and engaged, especially in larger organizations. Finance teams often handle support requests related to payments or invoices. Integrating Zendesk with Power Automate allows you to automate ticket creation, status updates, and notifications. This ensures timely responses and better customer service for internal and external stakeholders. Twilio integration enables finance teams to send SMS alerts for critical financial events, such as payment due dates or approval requests. Power Automate can trigger these messages automatically, ensuring that important information reaches the right people instantly, even when they're away from their desks. Box is a cloud storage solution used by many organizations. Power Automate can integrate with Box to automate the storage, sharing, and management of financial documents. For example, when a new contract is signed, Power Automate can save it to Box and notify the finance team, ensuring secure and organized document handling. FreshBooks is a cloud-based accounting software. Integrating it with Power Automate allows finance teams to automate invoice creation, payment reminders, and financial reporting. This reduces manual work and ensures that all financial activities are tracked and reported accurately. Trello is a popular tool for task management. Power Automate integration allows finance teams to create and update Trello cards automatically based on financial events, such as new budget requests or payment approvals. This keeps everyone on track and ensures that tasks are completed on time. MailChimp is widely used for email marketing, but finance teams can use it to send automated financial updates, newsletters, or reminders. Power Automate can trigger MailChimp campaigns based on financial events, ensuring stakeholders are always informed about important changes or deadlines. Jira is often used for issue tracking and project management. Integrating Jira with Power Automate allows finance teams to create issues automatically for financial discrepancies, overdue payments, or audit findings. This ensures that problems are tracked and resolved efficiently. Asana is a project management tool that helps finance teams coordinate projects and deadlines. Power Automate integration allows you to create tasks, update statuses, and send reminders automatically based on financial events. This keeps projects moving forward and ensures accountability. Smartsheet is used for tracking and managing financial data. Power Automate integration enables automatic updates, notifications, and reporting. For example, when a new budget is approved, Power Automate can update Smartsheet and notify the team, ensuring everyone is aligned. HubSpot is a CRM platform that can hold valuable financial information. Integrating it with Power Automate allows finance teams to automate updates, track payments, and generate reports. This ensures that all financial data is synchronized and accessible for analysis. PayPal is widely used for online payments. Power Automate integration allows finance teams to automate payment tracking, notifications, and reconciliation. For example, when a payment is received, Power Automate can update records and notify the team, ensuring accurate and timely financial management. Stripe is another popular payment processing platform. Integrating Stripe with Power Automate enables automatic updates to financial records, payment confirmations, and reporting. This streamlines payment management and ensures that all transactions are accurately recorded. ServiceNow is used for managing service requests. Power Automate integration allows finance teams to automate the creation, approval, and tracking of finance-related requests, such as budget changes or expense approvals. This ensures requests are handled efficiently and transparently. LinkedIn integration allows finance teams to share updates, announcements, or achievements with their professional network. Power Automate can trigger posts based on financial milestones, keeping stakeholders and partners informed about your organization's progress. Power Apps allows finance teams to build custom applications tailored to their needs. Integrating Power Apps with Power Automate enables seamless automation of data entry, approvals, and reporting. This empowers finance teams to create solutions that fit their unique workflows. Calendly integration allows finance teams to automate meeting scheduling for financial reviews, audits, or vendor calls. Power Automate can create calendar events, send reminders, and update attendees automatically, saving time and reducing scheduling conflicts. SurveyMonkey integration enables finance teams to collect feedback on processes, reports, or services. Power Automate can trigger surveys after financial transactions or at the end of projects, ensuring continuous improvement based on real input from stakeholders. Dropbox Sign, formerly HelloSign, allows for electronic signatures on financial documents. Power Automate integration automates the sending, tracking, and storage of signed documents, ensuring compliance and speeding up contract processes for finance teams. BoxSign is another e-signature solution. Integrating it with Power Automate allows finance teams to send documents for signature, track progress, and store completed agreements automatically. This ensures that all signed documents are organized and accessible. Adobe Sign integration enables finance teams to automate the sending and tracking of contracts, invoices, and approvals. Power Automate can monitor the status of documents, send reminders, and store signed copies, ensuring a smooth and compliant workflow. Expensify is used for expense management. Integrating it with Power Automate allows finance teams to automate expense report, submission, approval, and reimbursement. This reduces manual work and ensures that all expenses are tracked and processed efficiently. Concur is another popular expense management tool. Power Automate integration enables automatic processing of expense reports, approvals, and reimbursements. For example, when an expense is approved, Power Automate can update records and notify the employee, streamlining the entire process. To wrap up, integrating Power Automate with various platforms empowers finance teams to automate repetitive tasks, reduce errors, and focus on strategic work. Whether it's managing invoices, tracking payments, or collecting signatures, these integrations make finance operations more efficient and reliable. Start by identifying the tools your team uses most and explore how Power Automate can connect them. With the right integrations, your finance team can achieve new levels of productivity and accuracy.